activity, often taken for granted until it's abruptly taken away. For some, it's a minor inconvenience, a brief respite from the constant digital barrage. They find solace in the unexpected break, using the time to reconnect with the physical world around them, to read a book or to simply enjoy a moment of peace. For others, it's a significant disruption, severing connections with loved ones, disrupting work, and even putting lives at risk. The sudden loss of digital communication can create a sense of isolation and helplessness, especially in critical moments. During the Facebook blackout, a family in India lost contact with their son who was traveling abroad. The inability to reach him through their usual mode of communication, WhatsApp, turned their concern into panic. Unable to reach him through WhatsApp, their usual mode of communication, they spent hours frantically trying to get in touch, their worry escalating with each passing moment. The blackout underscored the fragility of our reliance on a single platform for critical communication. A small business owner in the United States, heavily reliant on Instagram to sell her handmade goods,